Hi, welcome to another junior measurement video. In this video, we're going to continue chatting about time, and we're going to chat about the 24-hour clock. So in the last video, we chatted about the 12-hour clock and how we broke the morning up into AM session and the afternoon and evening into a PM session. Well, there's still 24 hours in a day, but we're going to break it up a different way using a different system called the 24-hour clock. Now, we still have a morning and afternoon and evening, but we record things differently. The day starts at midnight, and instead of being 12 a.m., it is called 0000. Now, if you wait up till midnight and then stay one more hour, you've waited up till 0100 in the morning. The 1 means 1 hour has passed since midnight. So if you wait up another hour, you're at 0200. 0300 is 3 o'clock in the morning. 0400, 0500, 0600 is 6 o'clock in the morning. It's the time I'm usually getting out of bed. 0700, 7 in the morning. 0800, 0900. Most of us on a school day are probably at school at 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, we don't need the O anymore because we've got 4 digits. So we go to 1000, which is 10 o'clock in the morning. 1100 is 11 o'clock in the morning. And 1200 represents midday or noon, 1200 hours. 12 hours have passed since the start of the day. Now, we go to 1300 hours, which is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So 1300 is equivalent to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1400 is 2 o'clock. 1500 is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 1600 is 4 o'clock. 1700 is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're into evening now. 1800 is 6 p.m. 1900 is 7 p.m. 2000 is 8 p.m. 2100 is 9 p.m. 2200 we're at to 10 p.m. at night. 2300 hours is 11 o'clock at night. And then we don't go to 2400, we go back to 0000, which is midnight, the start of a new day. So that's how the 24-hour clock system works. Notice in 24 hours, we do not use AM or PM. All right, let's get into some examples, see if you can follow through how to change time. So part A, for example 1, how are we going to change 23:45 into AM and PM time? So it's already in 24-hour time, we're changing it back into AM, PM time. Well, 23 is 23 hours past the start of the day, which is close to midnight again of the next day. 23 is 11 o'clock at night. So it's 11:45. And because we're putting it back into AM, PM time, we need to put the PM. Right, part B, what about 0813, 0813? Now, as soon as you see an O, you know we're in the morning. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's 8:13 in the morning, 8:13 a.m. And what about 12:04? Well, 0000 is midnight. So 1200 is midday, lunchtime. So this is 4 minutes past lunchtime. So we must write it as 12:04 p.m. All right, here's example 2. We're going to take some times that are in AM and PM and change them back into 24-hour clock. So how are we going to do 4:38 a.m.? Now, we just spoke about morning and 24-hour clock. We often have a 0, so it's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be 04. So we're going to write it as 04:38. Now, we don't need to put the dot dot. You can if you want. You wouldn't get marked wrong. But you don't put AM at the end. If you did put the AM, you're highly likely going to get marked wrong. What about 12:10 a.m.? Well, midnight is 0000, and this is 10 minutes past, so it's going to be 0010. And finally, 5:45 p.m. Well, 5 is equivalent to 1700 in 24-hour time, so it's going to be 17:45. Right, well, that's our 24-hour clock system. You need to get away and practice it. Make sure you're feeling really confident and good about it. Thanks so much for watching.